I'm back! What's up everyone? Welcome back to The Raw Edge. I'm Nick, and today we're going to be making something really delicious. We're going to be making my creamy jalapeno ranch. This is so good. It's great as a snack, it's great as a salad dressing, it's great as a dip, it's great on salad. It's even great if you want to put it on rice and make a risotto. Sometimes I do that. The best part about this dressing is that it doesn't have any dairy, doesn't have any oil, no processed fats, just raw plant nutrition, a lot of omega-3s. You are gonna love this. It's so good, so creamy, so flavorful too. This has all real natural flavors in it. No salt, no sugar. You're gonna know exactly what's in this dressing. You're gonna love it. And you're going to want to use it on everything. Alright, so let's get into it. Let's get the main ingredient for this dressing, which is going to be my favorite thing to use for dressings, hemp seeds. And here are these babies. This is a 5-pound bag. I buy it in bulk, so it's a cheaper price. It really works well for these ranch dressings. Check out my hemp ranch video also. That one's really good. Alright, so we're going to use a cup of hemp seeds. These are really good. Really nutty, really great taste. Also, really balanced omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, which is great for heart health. You know, this dressing is going to keep you full, it's going to keep you energized, and it's not going to weigh you down like something like a bottled dressing would. We don't want none of that. We want good, clean energy going into our bodies, help you have good energy levels, and help you lose weight if that's your goal. Okay, so now that we've got our cup of hemp seeds, we're going to use also a cup of lemon juice or lime juice. You know, I prefer lime juice because Mexican recipes have a lot of that. Lemon's a bit cheaper, so I'm going to be using that today. You want to get nice, fresh, squeezed lemon juice, so it's not pasteurized, no preservatives. You know exactly what you're getting. Look, these are so beautiful. We're going to be using about 3 to 4 large lemons. I've got a little juicer right here, handheld, and just juice those up. I'm going to pour it in here. This is a 1 cup measuring cup, just so I can get the recipe exact for you guys. I think we'll need 1 more. So 4 large lemons. Alright, so we'll add in our fresh lemon juice. Then I've got some fresh garlic here, about 8 to 10 cloves. Some fresh cilantro. This is going to be really good. And I'm going to use some of this onion as well. So if you're using fresh garlic, I've got this really cool trick to peel it really fast. See, I cut the stem part off of the end here, and then you just get a knife and you press it down. Oh, I'm trying to do this with one hand. You press it down like this, and then the skin will just peel off really easily. So you don't have to worry about soaking it or trying to peel it by hand. Well, it's easy with 2 hands. This is hard with 1 hand. But look, there it is. Really easy. The first time I saw someone do this online, I was mind blown. You know how much time I've spent trying to peel garlic before? If you're not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. There's lots more recipes like this on this channel. So we'll put those in the blender. Look how fast this is gonna go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See, look, and then it just falls right off. Look how easy that is. This fresh garlic is going to make it taste really good. And dispose of the evidence. So I don't usually measure the cilantro, but I guess for the purpose of writing out a recipe, so you just press it down into a 1/4 cup. Get a bunch of it in there, because I love cilantro. Alright, so about a 1/4 cup, and we'll put this back in the fridge so it stays fresh. Alright, so what's next? The onion. So I'm just going to cut off a little piece of onion, about that big, see? Not a whole lot, but just enough for some nice oniony flavor. And now the most important ingredient of the jalapeno ranch, the jalapenos. Look, fire. So I'm using about a half of one, I don't know, about 1 inch or 1.5 inches. You can use less if you don't like heat, but I love it and it's really good flavor. Put this on the tray here so we can take a photo of it later. Look at that. Jalapenos, picture perfect. And that's it, guys. It's not a lot of ingredients, but they're all really flavorful, raw ingredients. Raw fats that are going to keep you full and help you eat more vegetables. Look at this huge tray of fresh vegetables I have. It's gonna help you eat a lot of that, a lot of greens if you put it on a salad. All right, so we're just gonna blend this up. Blend it till it gets smooth, but try not to heat it up. We wanna keep those fats nice and raw. Let's do the taste test. I already know it's gonna be amazing. This is the perfect Southwest dressing. If you love Tex-Mex like I do, this is perfect. You can even use it on like beans, rice, vegetables. It's super, super great. You'll love it on anything. If you do put it on cooked food though, make sure it cools down the food before you put the dressing on, because you want to keep it nice and raw. So let's go ahead and pour it into our beautiful little dish here. Shake that off. Yes. So right now the flavors are a little strong since we just put those raw spices in it. But if you let it marinate for about, I don't know, a few hours, maybe 3-4 hours, the flavors will blend together. They'll get a little bit more rounded and a little less sharp, and it'll taste really, really good. Well, let me get the camera. Yum. Look at that texture. This is amazing. Oops, don't overflow. Okay, that's good. But look. Yummy, yummy. Jalapeno ranch, guys. This is so good. Okay, guys, here it is. Look at this amazing feast. Guys, try this. If you haven't already tried a raw dressing, or if you're even raw vegan already, it's really, really good. It's gonna help you eat a lot more salad, a lot more vegetables, and help you feel amazing. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I drop new content. Until next time, I'm Nick. This is too good. This is too good.